on that drone, Toby, that you've got? One Mama Magnet, Magnetic Monkey, YouTube, subscribe, like to his videos, please. Look what he's got. Well,
Addison found it.
Addison.
Drone. Got a camera on it, but broken. Just kind of hangs out there. Just...
Runs out of the side, isn't it? That's what it's got. Get out there. Oh, I was stuck on it before. I can't find it now. Are you on it?
I was.
Definitely somewhere along the middle,
Big, it's heavy, isn't it?
because I keep kind of feeling it and then it gets stuck. The rest of the stuff and then they don't, yeah. And then I think we've maybe left a pair at some point.
I just pulled that shoe out there, I don't know.
Does it match the one that you found? Did you have a shoe like that a few weeks ago? No,
Oh, pull that there, down the thing on it, yeah, Rodley there, yeah. What's that?
Prick, it's that sort of. I had one earlier
Whatever that was, I can't find it anywhere.
We need to get that steak out. Well, I'm just trying to remind myself.
Red boy. You don't want to
That one. Right.
probably a good idea to get up there and do it.
Scrap.
Stuff. I'm not taking it all. Well, he wants the fucking wild crab properly, so I'll make him suffer. Wow, with bare minimum of fucking stuff. Yeah. He wants to cook on a fire and that. So. He wants to take the camp slow, he wants to make a fire. So
You want it?
No kindling or no, we just. I don't know what it is. Carry it all back, build the shelter. And then when you've done that, we need to go out and kill something to eat.
Right.
Yeah, go get your rope, go get your rope and a bucket. Yeah. Just to learn how to start wrapping it up yourself and that.
Ollie,
Yo.
what time does it usually end though?
What's that, mate?
The magnet, what time does it usually end?
I'm a bit tired. I'm not out long today. Work early in the morning.
So a 24-hour sponsored magnet fish.
Yeah, been doing it.
Have they?
Yeah, but I think it's good. That's all right.
It's summer when it's a bit warmer.
Yeah, obviously.
What you got there?
Go get your magnet, Tubbs.
No Paul?
Tubbs, go grab your, get your red magnet.
Yep, two kids having a go down there. You noticed that?
Spaloosh.
We must go and sit down there because they can't really pull it out. Not getting much here. All boys there clean up. So all boys have cleaned up. So have I. All scraps being removed. All scraps gone. Front back of their van. So the boys are there. So happy days. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 car exhausts out of there. Ah, that little bit there to there. Absolutely mental. Hey, Leighton. Absolutely mental. I'm not rest at scrap, which we're going to get onto the scrap van now. Leighton's being an idiot behind me. Oh well, not you. Bits and bats there, stuff in buckets. We are cleaning down now. Rick's got some on there, which I'll get in a minute. I don't rest at scrap up here. Bits and bats of crap. We're going to get on the van. Oh, and Big Aaron pulled that out. This pipe man.
I did.
Oh, was it you? Was it you or him? Oh, 3 of them pulled that out. And up, grapple up. Anyway, it's out of water. Happy days.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be part 3 for this area at some point, but we're not sure yet. Definitely needs it, yeah. Definitely needs it. Let's see what Rick's got on here. 11 in total, Rick. 11 exhausts.
There's a few more bits though, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
There's quite a few more bits of exhaust.
That's what Rick's just got out down bottom. What the hell, that Paul's massive. That's how big it was.
Oh no, I've bent it, I've snapped it in two.
Have you? And all that in there.
And this.
Hang on, what's he got? Oh, aye. You can get it off.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
And a new magnet that is pulled out.
That somebody didn't
So I'll get cleaned up and I'll get used again.
use the thread lock, did they?
No.
Yeah, all's empty.
Happy days. Right, I'll clean up now. So videos will be shown for people who want to know. Right then guys, back at you. stocking. So, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.